Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Part-Time IT Investor. I hope you would have made a good profit today because yesterday I have clearly marked the level, okay, where the market will trade. So at the top it was 25k, okay, and support was at around 24,700. So this was the level which I marked. If someone would have made a simple iron condor, they would have made a very good profit today because decay was very heavy in options. Okay, so second point as well, guys, I have also created a VWAP strategy video. Okay, so for the straight second day, okay, for the straight second day, it has given us profit. So in 2 days, I think I am already in profit of 7.5k for this week, okay, which is around 4.3% of my deployed capital using this VWAP based strategy. Okay, if you have not watched this video, please do check this out. This is a free algo trading platform provided by Zerodha, guys, and it will help us to automate the trades partially. All right. Okay, so before I move to the detailed analysis, I saw some of the question coming on this video as well. So let me first answer that. So what one of the subscriber asked me that at the capital use over here that was showing 1 crore. So I think that 1 crore capital is by default, which is being set by stake platform, but the actual capital which is required is around 1.5 lakh. Okay, so this is only possible if you also purchase the hedge. As you can see over here, this is the option which we have sold, okay, short, you can see. And yeah, I am hedging it against the call which I have bought with the further call. For example, I'm selling 25,000, then I'm hedging it with 25,300. Okay, so this way the margin requirement will get reduced, okay, to 75,000. Okay, if you are doing it with one lot. Okay, since I'm doing it with two lots, we I can easily do it with 1.5 lakh. Okay, so if I just wanted to show you, you can see over here, I will go to entry, okay, position. Okay, so these are the two lots which I'm using. If I save it and run it, okay, you can see capital is 1.5 lakh. It's still running. So if capital is not sufficient, this strategy will give an error that capital deployed is, okay, deployed is insufficient. Okay, so you can see here we are not getting that error. So with 1.5 lakh as well, we can do this strategy. All right. Okay. So I think I hope that would have answered your question. If you have any further question, please do comment in the same video. I will try to answer the same. Now let's move to our chart directly today because market was, I think, standalone only today. So what are the levels? Okay, so yesterday level was 25k and 24,700. Okay, so this level will remain intact, but I'll be adding additional levels over here, which is 24,850 and 25,200. The reason for adding this, guys, okay, is because these are very critical levels. If either of them breaks, it will immediately go to 25,200 and it will again retest back. If this level is broken, it will go to 24,700 and it will again retest back. Now, what is the logic behind this behavior? Okay, which I'm expecting because, okay, if you see CE as well as PE premium, okay, both decayed very heavily today. So let's say if I wanted to take an ATM or somewhere, I think farther 200 points farther. So both were trading around 25k, 25 points and 23 points. This is a perfect opportunity for a big players to move the market wildly. Okay, so in order to cut the stop loss for both CE player as well as PE player. Okay, that's why we need to have a cautious approach. And another logic behind that is, guys, you can see that today market closed on positive note. Okay, so let's say tomorrow, okay, market opens gapped up, or let's say market breaks 25k decisive. When I'm saying decisive, I'm getting a green candle, green bullish candle, okay, about 25k on 15 minutes time frame, okay, and it touches 25,200. So what will happen? This level will get immediately sold off by FII, okay, because FII are still selling in our market. Okay, we will see the data. I hope they have started purchasing it. If they have not started purchasing, then they will start selling it. Okay, so let's take other scenario. Let's say it breaks the level of 24,850. Okay, it will go to 24,700. Okay, then this is where our DI guys will come in, because we don't want to our market to fall further. Okay, so this is where our mutual fund money will come into picture, and it will again get bought up, and it can further go to 24,900, okay, or 850. So we are in bit of stalemate situation, guys. Okay, so stalemate situation with very wide moves and wide range. If someone want to play safe, okay, so this will be a big level, okay, which will be 25,200, okay, and 24,700. So, but if you see, premium will be very low over here for this expiry, but for next expiry, of course, we will be having sufficient premium. Okay, so I can also create a contra trading strategy, but I think I'm not in a mood to create a contra trading strategy, because I have my schedule packed for next 2 days. Okay, you can see, guys, at 9:30 p.m. I'm creating a video. Okay, so main intention over here is to learn together, grow together as a community by creating some profit. Okay, for people who are working, I think 10 to 5 job. Okay, okay. Nonetheless, so I think mostly I will go ahead with the modified beer condo that I will explain in our next slide. Okay, so these are the levels. Now let's quickly go ahead and check how it is supporting us. Okay, so before I jump to the strategy, guys, okay, so this is the profit which were made today and yesterday. This is 2 days of profit, which I have already booked it because premium has fallen to very low level. So chances of further decay was very less. In fact, the chances of spike was very high. That's why I booked the profit. Okay, so our VWAP strategy is working absolutely fine, guys. Okay, if you are not seen that, please don't forget to check this one. It's very useful one, this strategy, and do let me know in comments for any questions. Okay, all right. Now let's go ahead quickly and check what are the open interest data. So open interest data, as you can see, guys, over here, okay, that we have a strong call rating at 25K as well as put rating, and we have call unwinding at 24,950 and 24,900. So what does it says, guys, that put writer is very aggressive, okay, in the market, and call writer at 24,950 are not having confidence that market can fall to that low level. Okay, so this is a good thing. So what will happen, guys, tomorrow? Let's say if it gaps up about 25K, we'll be having short covering which can go to 25,200. So possibility of this is very high. Okay, that's why I will create a modified bear counter strategy, guys. So basically, what will happen? Let's say market is over here. Okay, and market goes over here. So in this case, I will be making some less profit, let's say 2K, okay, but suddenly market reverses back, okay. Then also I'll be having some margin to make some profit, okay. So this strategy I generally create for a volatile move, okay. It's a modified bear counter strategy, guys. If you want to know for it, please do let me know in comments, okay. Anyway, tomorrow morning I will be also sharing the strategy, okay, in my pre-market checklist video if time permits me. All right, if not, then please do let me know in comments. I will get a separate video, similarly, which I did for the View app for this. Okay, so I think then these are the levels, I think, which is marking us, but I think strong support level at 24,900. Okay, but yes, now let's go ahead and quickly check the FI data. Okay, so in cash segment, we can see, I think, buying from DI, still selling from FI. I think nothing changed over here, guys. And if I wanted to see the future, it's very minimal, I think you can see only 207 open interest changes. Okay. In option, yes, in option we can see a huge call OI changes, 16,448, and very less changes in put side. So this is definitely pointing towards the bullish opening at least. Okay. It can end up negative tomorrow, but opening at least I'm expecting bullish. Okay, based upon this data and open interest data. Okay. All right, I think then that's it on the Nifty side. Now let's go ahead and quickly check our swing trade, how it is doing. Okay, so TCS I think holding stable, nothing much change. CDS also holding stable. Dr. Lab I think mildly negative. Last time Turbo has gonna break out of 3,600, so 50% portfolio I'm still holding. CAMS I think okay, inching towards 4K. until unless it closes above 4K. I'm not on bullish on cams. I do I have purchased the stocks at 3,800, but I think unless it breaks 4K, it will not be a decisively breakout. Other in power, I think I missed the opportunity. I was trying to purchase at 550, but it has jumped in. So let's see. I need to reanalyze the Adani Power if I have a window of opportunity to further enter into the trade for the Adani Power. Okay. So I think that's it for today, guys. I hope you are liking the content and you are making the profit and also learning from it. Okay. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. This is our channel, Part-Time at Investor. And do let me know in comments for any of the new material which you want me to create. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.